In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit frames in Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you have a design open. This can be anything you're working on, like a social media post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Frames work the same way across most design types, so you can follow along with whatever you have on your screen. On the left-hand side of your Canva editor, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the option labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on Templates. Even though we're focusing on frames, this is often where Canva groups a lot of visual elements and layout options, so it's a good starting point. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. The location might vary a bit depending on updates, but it will still be on that left sidebar. Once you're in the Templates panel, you'll see different categories and design ideas. What we're looking for is the section that says Frame. Click on Frame to open up Canva's collection of frames. Frames are special placeholders that allow you to drop images into them and automatically crop to that shape. They're great for creating clean, consistent layouts and fun shapes for your photos. After clicking on Frame, you'll see a variety of options: circles, squares, letters, numbers, and more decorative shapes. Take a moment to scroll through and find a frame style that fits your design. When you find one you like, simply click on it or drag it onto your canvas. The frame will appear in your design area, and you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners, or move it around by dragging from the center until it sits exactly where you want it. Now it's time to add a photo to your frame. On the left side again, click on the Photos tab or Uploads, depending on whether you want to use Canva's stock photos or your own images. Choose the photo you'd like to use. To place it inside the frame, just click and drag the photo over the frame until you see it snap into place. Then release the mouse. The image will automatically fill the frame shape. If you want to adjust how the photo sits inside the frame, double-click on the framed image. You'll be able to reposition or zoom the photo within the frame until it looks just right. When you're happy with it, click outside the frame to set it, and that's how you add and edit frames in Canva, creating polished and professional-looking designs with just a